Where are we going today, Johnny?
Low today.
Lake Brock. Going to Lake Brook. What's the other name for it? Lake Brockman. Lake Brockman. Johnny reckons there's trout in here. I'm sceptical.
Yeah, I've caught some the other week.
There you go. Johnny caught some the other week, so.
They weren't huge, but.
Oh, they weren't huge, but we're going to give it a shot now.
There might be a big one in between.
There you go. Right, let's find out.
Got some good ones in this. Oh, here we go.
Well, there's a roo. G'day, mate.
Did you get him?
Where you going, Cobber? Oh,
big.
That's a big roo. I hope that I should have got him on camera. That's a big roo. Anyway, this is Lake Brook Dam here.
Still down a fair bit.
Brand new setup here. First ever cast with it. I like it. Cast well.
A lot of reeds.
Yeah. Very pristine up here, but the trouts like to hang around reeds, so have a flick in here and see what happens, eh? Good cast, Adam. It was in fact not a good cast.
Not a very good cast at
all. Oh, I had a hit.
Had a bite.
He's following it, Johnny, look.
Yeah.
He's right there.
Yeah?
He followed it.
What size?
A million.
Huh?
A million. No, he wasn't huge. Troll's paid off, I'm on.
Should be trout.
Feels good too.
Yeah?
Feels good.
Okay. Land net?
Yeah, I'll need it. Oh yes. Ha ha.
Hard body.
Yeah, doesn't feel huge. Going alright, going alright. He's alright.
He's okay.
Oh no.
Oh, I spat it. There he goes. How come he's so slow? He's going to go for it again.
I lost him.
He's going to go for it again.
I lost him.
Tuck it over there. He went run a bit slow, wasn't he?
Devastating. I like what? Lake Brook, good dam. I like it. Didn't catch anything. I had that one and he got off. Had another tap with the spinner in the shallows a bit there, which was pretty good. I think we'll plan a camping trip and sort of camp up over there and try around. It's a good little spot. I'm gonna go to Aruna now and give that a shot. So hopefully there's something up there. We'll see when we get there. Right, we're at Aruna. Water is very low. It's pretty calm here, pretty good. Give it a shot. Straight away, I'm on. Yeah, neutral. Oh, is he off?
Oh.
That was instantaneous, I was on. Oh man. Good fish. It's a good fish. I'm on with a good fish. It's on. It's lazy. It might be a trout.
Lazy old trout.
Oh, it's decent.
Yeah? Got the net?
I don't know what it is yet.
Take the line. Is it?
Oh, it's head shake. That's big ready, I think. Net, Johnny? Oh yeah. Nice fish. Nice fish.
Might be bigger than my 43. Might be bigger than my 43.
Nice fish, Johnny. Look at that. Oh yes, Johnny, yes.
Ready.
Get that net, mate. Oh my God. Johnny. Don't lose him.
That's about as big as mine last week, eh? That'd be 43.
Holy shit.
Good size, isn't it?
Oh my God.
That makes a day.
Oh, wow.
Oh, the spinner.
Oh my God.
Maybe 43.
I did a thing, guys. I did a thing. Wow.
Measure him up.
Yep. Just on 40. Pretty stoked about that though. Think we'll have to try back over that spot again, Johnny. Wow. Yee-hoo! Alright, that's it. That was a good day in the end. Johnny didn't catch anything, did you, mate?
No, I didn't catch any, but it's a good day. You caught one.
And Johnny didn't get anything today, so I got that one trout at Lowbrook that I let go, and then the had a few other taps there, and then we got that ready just then, which was really good. So he's pretty big. It's my first ever 400mm ready, so finally in the club. Take that, Luke. Told me I'd never catch one, so.
Oh, that size.
Yeah, that's it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you again soon. See you later.
Yeah.